everyone. Today we are going to understand the preamble. Preamble is an introductory statement which contains fundamental values and morals and also aims and objectives which are likely to achieve by our constitution. And our constitution is based on these fundamental values.
We the people of India, this phrase means source of power of constitution lies within people of India.
We want to constitute India into a
Sovereign. Sovereign means India is completely independent to taking its internal decision as well as external decision. India is not under the authority of any foreign power.
Socialist. Socialist is the economic and social ideology which promote government ownership of goods production, resource, wealth, land, property. It allows a limited extent to a private property. The aim of socialist is to distribute goods equally in the society. It reduces social and economic inequality.
The secular have the following features. The state can slightly interference to maintain the equality, and there is no official religions to separate the state from any religious matters, and no discriminate with people on the basis of religions.
Democracy. It is a political system in which the head of government elected by the people through free and fair election.
Republic. Republic is a political system in which the head of state is directly or indirectly elected by the citizens.
justice. It means a balance in which every individual gets what it deserves without any fear. Indian constitution provides three types of justice: economic justice, social justice, and political justice.
Liberty. Liberty means the condition which have reasonable restrictions. Our constitution provides us liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship.
Equality. Equality means a situation in which everyone gets the same treatment in terms of rights, opportunity and respect without discrimination based on a race, caste, gender, religion.
Fraternity. Fraternity means to develop a feeling as if we are the members of the same family brotherhood and no one should treat the fellow citizen as inferior.
Unity means the feeling of oneness, and India promotes unity in diversity.
Integrity. It means the quality of being honest and having same morals and principles that you will not change under any situation.
Adopt means to accept. Enact means to implement legally. Give to ourselves means complete acceptance of constitution.
We adopted this constitution on 26th day of November 1949.